Now I'm going to show you how to make a flower. For this you're going to need 2 balloons. You're going to need to full inflate one, but you want it to be nice and soft. And the other one, I'm going to leave approximately 3 fingers uninflated. For this, I'm going to take the full inflated balloon and make a circle like so, by attaching the tying end with a little bit at the end of the other balloon. I'm now going to bring it up to this like so, and then give it a twist. Okay. What I'm then going to do, this is very tricky, it takes practice. I'm then going to do approximately 7 finger bubble, keep hold of your hand, followed by another 7 finger bubble approximately here. So you're actually creating a 7 finger bubble here as well. Okay, so it looks like basically a chain of rings. Then gonna do this. So I'm going to bring the middle one up like so, and then this one's going to come down. So this one is going to go up, this one's going to go up, and this one's going to come down. And they're going to push in the centre with both hands, and then twist. Give it a lock twist. And then you have the petals for your flower. You take the last balloon, I'm going to do a 2 finger bubble and give it an ear twist. Keep hold of the knot. I'm going to place the ear twist in the centre of the petal. I'm going to take the knot. I'm going to hide it at the back. Or you can just hide it underneath the ear twist. And then you have the stem here in the centre, if you like. And then you give it the petals, which I'm going to do in a moment. Or alternatively, you can do this. This is my favourite. You have that in the centre like so. You then, approximately, I'm going to do 4 fingers. I'm going to do a bubble. And then I'm going to do another ear twist, 2 finger ear twist. So do a 2 finger bubble and then an ear twist. See, it looks not nicer, doesn't it? And then going to do a 4 finger bubble, followed by 2 5 finger loops, and then I'm going to lock twist them. And then the excess, just give it a squeeze. And there you have a very, hopefully quick flower.